The first time I tasted wolffish was at the Boston Seafood Show, and it was love at first bite. So buttery, it's mild, as you see, it's a firm texture. It's not the cutest fish in the sea, but it's chock full of nutrients. Lots of protein, vitamin D, B12, and it's got that fatty content, so it's got a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. Few people have ever tasted or seen the spotted wolffish, and that's because it's no longer caught in the wild. But with new aquaculture innovation, they're calling the spotted wolffish the whitefish of the future. Josh is here to fillet it. We're going to discover this together. Now, this is an art. You know, I really wish that I could fillet every kind of fish there is. It's very slippery, right? That's why I put the gloves on. It's
lots of slime, kind of like a halibut. Oh, it has a very firm texture, that's for sure.
You got to try to hang on to it at the same time that you're filleting it.
Challenging cut.
Not bad, though, for the first time.
That might be the worst cut I've ever done in my life.
I'm not going to hold that against you. No, that looks beautiful. Fillet right there. The wolffish, check it out. Look at the beautiful firm white meat on that. It does remind us of the halibut, right? What else would you compare this to?
I mean, it has the firm texture of codfish, that's for sure, too. And it seems kind of firm and meaty, almost like a Chilean sea bass.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, you could feed a family of 4 with the meat left on these bones.
This is a beautiful piece of whitefish. We're just gonna pan-sear this. It's gonna be ready in no time. Put the burner on a medium-high heat. You're gonna get some oil in the pan. I'm cooking for the crew. Here we go. We're gonna cut some fillets here. Beautiful. Check that out. Now, somebody asked me the other day, why do you pat the fish dry? And the reason you want to pat the fish dry is because I want a nice crispy skin. I wanted this fish to come out nice and flaky, and I'm gonna season it with Fishionista salt. And this skin is gonna get so nice and crispy. You can hear it. You can almost hear it. Check that out. Now, you know when to turn the fish over is when it's opaque along the sides here. It just starts to get opaque right there. So we're gonna let this get seared up. Little trick you can do to stop the fish from curving, like it is right here, is to cut into the skin just a little bit. So you see, you can get little cuts into the skin, and that way it won't curve like this one's gonna do. Oh, I can hear that sizzle. I'm tempted, I want to peek. Okay, we're gonna turn this over. What's great about this fish, you can broil it, you can bake it, you can poach it. I'm sauteing it. There's so many ways to cook this fish. Oh yeah, look at that whitefish cooking. See that? Look at that right there. I turn it off because I want it flaky, not mushy. Can't wait for the crew to taste this. Oh my God. Look at that, looky. Maybe a little parsley. So gorgeous. So how beautiful is this wolffish? Pan-seared in no time at all. I want you to come back and watch the Fishionista show. We're making easy seafood recipes in under 10 minutes. Don't forget, you don't need confidence to cook seafood because cooking seafood gives you confidence. Bye-bye for now.